moments collected in time, perfectly bound like your hand fists in mine. Lucky to find what we're both looking for in this life. My heart is aching, but somehow in all the right places.